Hello lovelies, how are you? I hope you're good. I hope you're still fine. Yes, I hope you're okay. Well, we've been talking about insects. We are continuing with the insects. Last time we were talking about the parts, the external parts of an insect and the use of each part. All right, I left you with an activity. I want us to go through the activity and we see. Question number 1 was, how important are eyes to an insect? How important are eyes to an insect? The same importance your eyes are to you. Of course, for seeing. All right, number 2, on which part of an insect are spiracles found? Do you have anybody who doesn't know that? Of course, they are found on the, on the abdomen. How many legs does a true insect have? Yes, I know you must have seen the spider and you think it's an insect. We say no, it's not an insect. It's not a true insect because it doesn't have what the true insect must have. So a true insect must have 6 legs. If you don't want to say 6 legs, you can say 3 pair of legs. Why isn't, we have actually answered that. Why isn't a spider termed as a true insect? Because it has 8 legs. So our answer would be, it has 8 legs. As simple as that. What does an insect use to detect enemies? What does it use? So here there are 2 answers. You can say feelers, which I like more, and antenna. If you know, you can spell it. We are still continuing. We are still talking about insects. I want us to know, how do they come into existence? Is an insect born as big as we see it? In which stages does it go? I want us to look at all this. So today I want us to look at the life cycle. The life cycle of insects. Life cycle is the physical change. Is a change of the insects as it develops from the eggs to an adult stage. That, the stages it undergoes is what we call the life cycle. It also has another word or another name, another term. It can also be called metamorphosis. All right? So I want us to see how does it develop from the eggs to when you see it flying, when it's big. All right? Yes, you've seen a mosquito and it's so big, it is flying near you. You don't know how it came to exist. You've seen a housefly, it's just there. You've seen a bee buzzing in your ear. How did it come about? Is what we're going to look at today. Well, there are 2 types of life cycle. Insects undergo 2 types of life cycle. There are those insects that undergo complete metamorphosis or complete life cycle, and there are those insects that undergo incomplete metamorphosis or incomplete life cycle. So I know you're asking, what is incomplete and what is complete? We're going to look at this. Let's continue. Complete metamorphosis. This is the complete metamorphosis. Here in complete metamorphosis, an insect undergoes 4 stages of growth. You see the eggs? The egg will turn into a larva, and the larva will turn into a pupa, and the pupa turns into an adult. So these are 4 stages. This is the first stage, second stage, third stage, and the 4th stage. So in complete metamorphosis, an insect undergoes 4 stages of growth. At first it's an egg. The egg turns into a larva, and then the larva turns into a pupa, and then the pupa turns into an adult. Then the incomplete, this is complete, it has 4. Complete, 4. Incomplete has 3. It has 3. So the eggs will turn into a nymph. Say it, a nymph. Yes, A nymph is the larva stage also. So it's actually from the eggs you turn into a larva, and then in the incomplete, the larva just goes and turns into an adult. All right, but the larva stage in incomplete metamorphosis, the larva stage in incomplete life cycle has a special name, and that is nymph. Have you seen the word nymph? It's a special word. Doesn't have any vowel in it. Have you seen it? How would you wish to continue? Let's continue and you see. Let's see the complete life cycle of a butterfly. Did a butterfly? You know how colorful it is? Let's see, how does it come to exist? Do you think it was born as beautiful as that? No, it follows a series of development. We said the life cycle of a butterfly is complete. That means it has 4 stages. At first it's and the egg turns into a larva, and that larva has also a name. And then the larva turns into a pupa, and then the pupa turns into an adult, beautiful, colorful butterfly. All right? Let's see. This is it. Have you seen the egg? This is the egg stage of a butterfly. And then the egg turns into a larva. This is a larva. You see the larva? Okay, the larva. And then this larva turns into a pupa. And then the pupa turns into an adult. This is a series of, just like you were born. At first when mommy has just come back from the hospital, you were so tiny, you were so little, and then you started growing, suckling, and you became a big girl, a big boy, and then now here you are in P2, 7 years, or some are 8. Okay? Likewise to the insects. They don't just, all of a sudden become insects. They were not just born when they are adult insects. No. They followed the sequence. They followed the steps. They were eggs. The eggs turned into a larva, and then the larva turned into a pupa, and then the pupa turned into an adult. Let's know more about this. How does it come about? Complete life cycle is where the insect undergoes or goes through 4 stages of development, or 4 stages of growth. This is how it comes about. The butterfly, adult butterfly, the mama butterfly will lay eggs. And where do you think the mama butterfly lays them? Lays them on the leaves of the plants. And then those eggs turn into a larva after some time. And guess what? The larva is that caterpillar. Is that caterpillar. And then this caterpillar, after some time, goes in a still motion, doesn't move, doesn't eat, after some time, it forms a cocoon. After some time, the cocoon turns into a butterfly. All right? And it flies away. What do you think the caterpillar eats when it's, when it's the larva stage, when it's in the larva stage? It is a caterpillar now. What do you think it eats? Yes, caterpillars eat. And what do they eat? They eat leaves. They can eat the entire plantation. They can eat. They are very destructive. And that is the most destructive stage of a butterfly. Okay? The butterfly, the most destructive stage is the larva stage. And that name, the name of the larva stage, of course, is the caterpillar. Let's look at these keywords. We say the larva stage of a butterfly is a caterpillar. It is very destructive to a farmer. How? It's because it spoils crops, mostly the leaves. But for a pupa, once the caterpillar has stopped all the eating, it has grown, maybe it is even full, it stops the eating. Okay? It turns into a cocoon that is the pupa. Does not eat, does not feed, does not do anything. It's just there as if it's dead. And then does not move, does not feed. It's just there. After some time, this pupa will turn into a butterfly, which is very useful because it helps in pollination. Okay, all right, let's see the activities. The activity I have for you, there are just a few numbers. I believe you'll be able to read, understand, and answer them. I love you so much. I want you to answer them properly, read and understand. If you feel you've not understood, you can, you can play back and forth until you understand. I love you so much. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.